meron akong case study na nabili from a friend of mine. Kaibigan ko siya.
Okay.
Half Filipino-American, taga New York, bata siya. Tapos, nung nabili ko yung course niya na yun, it was, I think $400.
Is it a PDF, a file? Okay.
PDF, tapos may audio recording niya.
Okay.
Nagtuturo kung paano basically mag-online ads.
Mm-hmm.
After like, siguro a week, malaki na yung nabalik ng $400 ko.
ROI agad.
1 week.
Tapos yung wisdom na yun, ina-apply mo up until this day.
Yes, correct. Years. Yung sasabihin ko next na. Yung $400 ko na yun, yung return of investment niya, 2020 nung binili ko yun.
Tayo na, 3 years na.
3 years.
And it made you millions in 10 branches.
Multi. Yung info na nakuha ko dun, meron akong ad account na dedicated sa strategy na yun. Parang gano'n.
Wow.
Yeah.